Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will going to discuss the basics of MS Excel. So there are two ways to open the MS Excel. First is just go here in the window icon, just press on that and just search for MS Excel here. Double click on the Excel. Click on the blank workbook. Now the Excel screen is open, and there is also a second way to open the MS Excel. Don't save. Just press Window plus R and write here Excel and press enter. This is the second way to open the MS Excel. Just double click on the blank workbook. So the MS Excel or that blank workbook. So MS Excel is basically divided into so many areas. That first row we called as tabs in the MS Excel. These are the tabs, and so these are the tabs, and this is the second row is the quick access toolbar. So if I want to open all the ribbons in these tabs, we just click on how the ribbons is opens. Ribbons is nothing but all the features that are given here. If I want to close these ribbons, I will just click on home tab, insert. These are all ribbons. So there is also a second way to close these ribbons. Here is the upside arrow. By that you can also close these ribbons. Click on page layout, all the ribbons will open. Again click on page layout tab, the ribbons will be closed. You can also close from here. And the second row is called as the quick access toolbar. Here is the save option, undo and do and undo option, save as option, open. There are so many options. There are so many options in that second row quick access toolbar. And that box is called as name box. And if I want to move the cursor on that cell, that will display the location of that cell. Okay, now it's displaying the location of that particular cell, and the location is F3. F is the column and third is the row, and it's on the intersection of F column and third row. This is the formula bar. Whenever I'm going to apply the formula in any cell, that formula is going to display in this formula bar. Let's say example, if I take 1 in A1 cell and 2 in B1 cell. So if I want to apply the formula on D3 cell, so I will just apply the formula here, A1 plus B1, enter. Now you can see here the complete formula is displaying on the formula bar. So enter. Now formula is applied here. Okay, you can also see the formula in the formula bar. Okay, which formula is applied on that D3. You can easily see from the formula bar. And this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is the column headings. And if I click on the column heading, that will select the whole column. Let's suppose I'm click on the A column heading, that will select the whole first column. If I click on that E column, that will select the whole E column. If I'm going to click on the column heading K, that will select the whole K column. Similarly for rows, these 1 2 3 4 5 6, these are the row headings, and if I click on the one row heading, that will select the complete first row. If I click on the row heading 4, that will select the complete row 4. And if I want to select the whole workbook, I will just click here. That will select the whole workbook. And here, currently I am working on the worksheet 1. And if I want to open the new worksheet, I will just click on that plus icon. In that way, I can open so many worksheets. Right? And if I want to see all the names of all sheets in one place, I will just right click on that right side arrow. Right click on that right side arrow. That a dialog box is open in which all sheets names are displayed. For example, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5, sheet 6, sheet 7. All the sheets are displayed here. If I want to jump directly on sheet 4, I will just double click on sheet 4, and now I am on the sheet 4. Now I can work on the sheet 4. Similarly, if I want to go directly on sheet 10, I will just right click on that right side arrow. All the sheets are displayed in that dialog box. In the right side top bottom here is the screen zoom scroll bar. This is the screen zoom scroll bar, from where I can maximize or minimize, zoom in or zoom out that screen. Now it's on the 100%. If I'm going to click on that plus icon, that will increase. If I'm going to click on that plus icon, that will increase the size of the cells. But observe that the size of that heading, tabs and quick access toolbar and all these areas remains the same. Only the size of the cells is going to increase. I can also decrease it from here. Now it's 100%. And here there are two scroll bars. These are the horizontal scroll bar and these are the vertical scroll bar. So if I want to move towards the right, I will just click on that right side arrow. I can move to the towards right, and by clicking on that left side arrow, I can just move on towards left in my worksheet. Similarly, if I want to go towards bottom down, I will just click on that bottom side arrow. And if I want to go to upside, I want to go to upside in my worksheet, I will just click on that upper side arrow. Right? And on the top there are three important icon. Here I can close the worksheet. Here is the restore down, and this is the maximize and minimize. Right? And in the file button, in this file tab, there are so many options like home, new, open, info, save as. If I want to save the already saved file, I will press the save. If I want to save a new file, I will just do a save as, and close, publish, exports. There are so many options are here. Okay. And if I want to enter some data on the worksheet, I will just go to that cell. I will just move the cursor on that cell, and start typing here. Okay, I can make that cell proper size. Okay, and if I wants to edit that cell, I will just move the cursor to that cell and press the F2. That will enable me to do the editing. That enables the editing mode. And if I forgot the shortcut key F2, I can just do a double click on that cell, and these are the workbooks: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5. All these are the workbooks, and the combinations of all these workbook is the work uh, the combinations of all worksheet is a workbook or a work file. These are the worksheet: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. These are the worksheet, and these are the workbook: book 1, book 2. These are the workbook. If I going to save this file, this is the workbook, and in that the number of sheets are there. These are the worksheets. If I want to select the range, let's suppose I want to select the range from here to here, I will just press the cursor, the mouse here, and I will just move the mouse up to where I want to take the range. Okay, and then after, how I can save the workbook, I will just go to file, and here is the option save as. In that I am going to open this PC, new folder, or more option. Here a dialog box is open. Here I can use any extension, Excel, PDF. Sometimes we used to convert the files from Excel to PDF, but there is a no need to convert the file from Excel to PDF, or in different formats like .xlmx. You can directly convert it from here in that dialog box. If I want to convert that in PDF, I will just click on the PDF. So right now I just want to do that in the Excel workbook, and I can also change the name from here, video 1, and just save. I'm going to save this in document. I can also save this file on desktop. Save. So that's the complete video. Thanks for watching me. Thanks a lot.